Papa natin sila and everyone who prepared this tonight's event. So before I proceed to the message of our dear Mayor, our Honorable Mayor, I would like to thank everyone that this was a successful evening. And I think every Dabawenyo is looking forward to it. And muhangyo lang po sa atong mga kaigsunan sa Davao na have fun. Let's maintain the peace and order of our beloved city and the cleanliness of our city. Hindi man kami ganahan, mahimong presyo po yung inyong lugar, inyong panimalay, padlong na sila na karunga na labay o kusura. So, from our Mayor Sebastian Duterte to our fellow government workers, the Davao City Events Executive Committee, valued partners and sponsors, talented performers, our fellow Davaoenos and visitors, maayong gabi. Daghang salamat sa inyong pakiguyo karong gabi na as we formally kick off the festivities for Luau Davao 2026. Now on its third year, we once again celebrate Luau Davao to showcase what Davao City has to offer both Davaoenos and visitors alike, and to provide support to our local tourism industry stakeholders. Tonight, we invite everyone to take part in this month-long celebration with the various events categorized under 4 dynamic pillars. Luau Davao Ta sa Davao Turismo, Luau Ta sa Arts and Colors, Luau Ta sa Davao Sports and Lifestyle, o Luau Ta sa Fiesta sa San Pedro. Luau Davao will provide a platform for our local artists, artisans, and filmmakers. It will give our active LGBTQ community the opportunity to showcase their talents and push their advocacies. It will enable Davaoenos and visitors to engage in various sports competitions. Luau will also open learning experiences to more about key areas in the city that have shaped our history, and it will boost our local tourism and tourism-related establishments. Our resorts and accommodation establishments, our malls, restaurants, and coffee shops, our small and medium entrepreneurs, and all Davaoenos who live depend on tourism-related industries. We are inviting Filipinos and foreign nationals alike to Luau sa Davao to come and visit, to experience and enjoy Davao City. Ginaawag na po ang kanang Davaoenyo to go and explore the city. And while we take part in the festivities, let us also be law-abiding citizens, practicing the culture of security and ensuring that this month-long celebration is both peaceful and enjoyable. Also, with our current challenges in garbage disposal, we would like to remind Davaoenos to reuse, reduce, recycle at home, and to be responsible and disciplinadong Davaoenos. The city government is doing all that we can, but we need your help to ensure that our city remains clean and safe for us all. Ikan sa atong halandong Mayor, Sebastian Z. Duterte, sumutausap pa, daghang salamat ug maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
Maraming salamat, Vice Mayor. Thank you so much. But we'd like to ask you to remain on stage, please, because the defining moment of our kickoff has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, standing proudly in front of the Davao City Hall is our official Luau Davao 2026 logo. Vice Mayor, we invite you to do the honors of lighting up the logo to officially signal the start of our festivities. Davaoenos and all of our dear guests, please stand. And together, let's count down in 5,